I was going to write an email, but then I said, why don't I take 10 minutes and actually record a video and send it to you? I am on my home clothes and I just wanted to make a video so I didn't get changed. I have no makeup on and I'm feeling so relaxed. I wanted to share something so important to you. I just remembered when I realized what I'm going to share, when I realized about this, it changed my health. It changed the way I started doing things in relation to my health. When I realized about the word imbalances used in the medical term, you may have an imbalance in your gut flora, you may have an imbalance with your hormones, with your cholesterol, with your blood pressure, all of it is an imbalance. And this just happened like a few years ago. I realized in between the word imbalance, there is a word called I am in balance. Balance. So in the middle of the word imbalance, there is a word balance. And im or I am is in there. So why don't we begin the process of bringing balance? If there is an imbalance, then what we need to do is bring our body to balance. How can we do this? So here is what I want to say to you. So our body is triggered. Daylight and darkness triggers our hormone to start working and to begin stimulating our digestive juices or our sleep hormones. So if we're not sleeping enough, then we're not producing certain hormones. If we are not breaking down our food properly, then we're not stimulating certain hormones. And in order to do this is we need to work together with sunlight and sunset. The way we organize our lives and live our lives, the movement of our planet, the sun and the moon, all impacts the release and stimulation of our hormones. When the sun sets, we go sleep. When the sun rises, we wake up. We produce hormones and move with the release of cortisol in the morning. If we don't release cortisol in the morning, then we don't have that awakeness, the alertness that we need and require to start doing what we need to do in the day, during the day. So working with the sun is really, really important. So if there is one thing you can do today is get outside, go expose yourself in the natural light to bring balance to your body. Once your body is exposed to the daylight, like natural light outside, you are going to start producing the hormones needed to digest your food and to sleep. Both of it is so important to restore health and well-being, your health and well-being. So I hope this was impactful. I hope this landed for you. If not, drop me a message. Let me know where you are at. How can I help you? Where are you finding a challenge to restore balance in your body? So instead of writing an email, I thought maybe I'll just make a video. Let me know if the video is okay or what landed for you today, because I know I wanted to share this with you. I'll speak to you again.